What if I told you that in just 7 days, a simple oil you probably already have at home could bring new life to the one part of your body most men over 60 silently worry about but rarely talk about? Yes, I'm talking about below the belt. And no, this isn't about pills, injections, or surgery. It's about restoring what time and tension have quietly taken away. Your blood flow, your sensitivity, your confidence as a man. I'm Dr. Mohit Kara, a urologist and professor specializing in men's health. For over 3 decades, I've worked with thousands of men in their 60s, 70s, and even 80s, helping them reclaim strength and performance they thought were gone for good. What I'm about to share is backed by clinical insight and personal experience, not hype, and yet very few doctors will ever mention it. One of the most overlooked solutions for aging, underperforming male tissue isn't found in a prescription pad. It's found in nature, applied topically. When used correctly, a single daily application can awaken circulation, restore nerve response, and make your most private area feel strong, warm, and alive again. This one habit may change how you feel about your body starting this week. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through exactly which oil to use, how to apply it, what changes to expect day by day, and 3 easy ways to multiply its benefits. If you've felt a little less like yourself lately, stay with me. What you're about to learn might just change everything. Before we dive in, if you haven't subscribed yet, now's the time. Hit that button and turn on the bell so you never miss another men's health tip designed specifically for men over 60. And if this video speaks to you even just a little, type 1 in the comments. If it doesn't, type 0 and let me know how I can better support you on your journey. Most men over 60 begin to feel disconnected from their bodies, especially below the belt. It's not just aging, and it's not your fault. The truth lies deeper in something most doctors rarely explain: a slow but steady decline in circulation, sensitivity, and cellular vitality in the very area that defines so much of our identity as men. I see it all the time. Men in their 60s and beyond, quietly frustrated, sometimes ashamed. They're not the same men they used to be, physically or intimately. They don't say it out loud, but I hear it in their voice and see it in their posture. The spark feels gone. Their body doesn't respond the way it once did. And they've convinced themselves this is just how age works. But let me be clear. It's not that simple. What's happening down there isn't a mysterious curse that comes with age. It's a slow biological shift. As we get older, the blood vessels in the pelvic region, the arteries and capillaries that bring oxygen-rich blood to the penis and surrounding tissues, start to narrow and stiffen. The flexibility those vessels once had to expand and flood the area with blood during arousal slowly fades. Without steady blood flow, you lose not just function, but also feeling. Sensitivity dulls. Spontaneous erections vanish. The morning stiffness you once took for granted grows rare or disappears entirely. On top of that, nerve endings that once lit up with the slightest touch now need more and more stimulation to respond. And here's something no one ever talks about. With less blood flow and lower nerve response, your brain begins disconnecting from your body in that region. It doesn't feel like yours anymore. For many men, that sense of identity, the quiet confidence that comes from feeling physically alive, is the first thing to slip away. It hurts not just in the bedroom, but in the mirror, in your marriage, in your mindset. Now let me tell you something personal. My own father, a proud, strong man who spent his life working with his hands, once told me, "Son, it feels like part of me stopped waking up. I feel like I'm fading." That stuck with me, not because it was tragic, but because it was preventable. He didn't need a miracle, he needed circulation, stimulation, and restoration. When we gave that to him, when we activated his body the right way, he came back to life, not just below the belt, but in spirit. This decline isn't about age, it's about attention. The male body still wants to respond. It's waiting for the right signal. And that signal doesn't have to come from a pill. It can come from something far more natural, ancient, and powerful than most men realize. In fact, it might already be sitting in your kitchen cabinet, waiting for you to rediscover it. Here's the oil, rosemary essential oil. I know what some of you are thinking. Rosemary? Like the herb in my soup? Exactly. But rosemary contains rosmarinic acid, carnosol, and cineole, natural compounds that relax and expand blood vessels, reduce inflammation, and enhance nerve response. Applied topically to the lower pelvic area, it gently awakens circulation and nerve endings without harsh side effects. It's been used for centuries in Mediterranean folk medicine, and now we understand the science behind it. Let me show you exactly how to apply it. First, dilute 3 to 5 drops of rosemary essential oil in 1 tablespoon of carrier oil, almond, coconut, or jojoba. Warm it between your palms. After a warm shower, with clean, dry skin, gently massage into the pubic region, groin, and base of the penis using small circular motions. Spend about 5 to 7 minutes each session. You're not rushing. You're listening. Breathe deeply. Tell your body, I'm here. I care. Most men start noticing a gentle warmth or tingling within 2 to 3 days. By day 4 or 5, sensitivity returns, erections strengthen, and morning firmness reappears. By day 7, you'll look in the mirror and feel like you've come home to yourself. One 72-year-old patient, Gerald, described it as electricity under the skin, that circulation and nerve response returning. To amplify the effect, you can blend in other oils. Ginger oil adds warming stimulation and enhances local blood flow. Lavender oil calms stress that tenses muscles and impairs circulation. Black seed oil delivers antioxidants and supports hormone balance. Try 3 drops rosemary, 2 drops ginger, and 1 drop lavender in your carrier oil. Mix, warm, and apply as before. But the biggest mistake men over 60 make is giving up. They accept decline as inevitable and stop caring. That quiet resignation steals more than function. It steals joy. Healing isn't about chasing youth. It's about reclaiming yourself. Every time you show up for this ritual, you tell your body, I still matter. Make it a lifelong habit. Keep the oil next to your toothbrush or shower. Commit 5 to 10 minutes daily. Some men add light movement, gentle stretches or pelvic lifts, before applying the oil. Consistency is the key. If you're ready to reconnect, start tonight. Warm the oil, breathe, and touch yourself with intention. This is not the end of the road. It's the beginning of a return to yourself. Your body remembers. Your masculinity awaits. If this message resonated, please like, share, and comment below. Tell me what you'll commit to this week. Subscribe and support this channel so we can keep bringing real solutions to men over 60. Thank you for being here. Here's to reclaiming your strength. 1 drop, 1 day at a time.